Hello there, family friends, and beautiful across the world. Joy Jones is back on the road. But first of all, let me congratulate the Philadelphia Eagles for bringing home the trophy, man. Them guys, you got to give it to them guys, man. They've been, man, forever. I used to be an Eagles fan, but that was way back when we had Donovan McNabb and we had T.O. Man, that was back. And then when they, man. But anyway, I'm happy for them, and yes, I used to be a fan, and I don't wear the clothing anymore. But yeah, congratulations to the Eagles, and congratulations to all of you that passed the CDL permits and your CDL license. Now, let me tell you something, and I always said it on all my videos. If you go to SWIFT or CR England or any trucking school, get your permit first. Get your permit, get your physical, then you go to school. Don't go to school with anything, you know, because it's going to take longer. You're going to be there longer. Because remember, they're going to put you to take the test over there. You're going to have to study. You're going to study before you get your permit. So go over there with your permit, okay? It doesn't matter what school you go to, okay? Now, if you want to ask me, CR England's a nice school because I already did that. And I also did SWIFT too. You know, I didn't really do the school, but I was there in orientation, and I did a 3-day orientation. Now, again, go with your CLP. It's the permit. You know, you're just in and out. Once you go with your permit and your physical form and your long form, it's in and out. But not actually in and out, but you're in for like 2 weeks and you're out. That's it. But if you go with nothing, then you're gonna be there for a whole month, plus extra. And extra means how fast do you learn things? You know, how fast do you capture things? Because there's a lot of people that will be there for a whole month and then they take too long learning the stuff, and it all depends on how fast you learn. That's all. If you're a fast learner, then you're in and out. But again, I guarantee you to go in there with your CLP. Okay, guys, and good luck for you, man, and wish you the best. And trust me, my pre-trip, it's a passing. Trust me, I've seen a lot of people that passed. I've seen a lot of people that done it. I've seen a lot of people, they got the CDLPs, they got the CDL, they're already with their trainers, and God bless you, man, and I'm so happy for you, man. I mean, if I can do it, you can do it too, man. Anybody can do it. But truck driving is not for everybody, okay? Remember that, all right? So that being said, trucking is not for everybody. So just do what you gotta do. Be all you can be. Good luck out there. Be careful out there. Right now it's what the season, the weather. We're in February, so just a lot of ice, a lot of black ice. So just be careful, and God bless you all. Like I always said, do what you gotta do, and
important message has arrived.
Yep, new message, because I'm gonna call it a night. I don't have that much drive time, so good luck to you. I love y'all. Thanks for subscribing. Thank you for your comments. Thank you, man. So I'll see you in my next video. So don't forget to fly safe, be safe, drive safe. I'll see you in my next video. God bless you all. We love ya. Later.